Okay, so what's going on now, crowd?
We're eating this.
It's a day at the lake.
I'm gonna have something good.
Huh?
We're eating this now.
We'll get a quick weather shot.
Yeah.
We have just narrowly escaped with our lives from the middle of the lake. The most dangerous thing I've ever done in my life.
I don't believe that.
There had better be someone with a stack of air medals waiting at the other end of the lake.
Yeah.
So when the rain passes, we're going to go back on the lake. Depending on the timing, we may have a sumptuous meal of hot dogs and chips prior to or post. Lauren, would you like to say something? You know, someday when you grow up, are you going to have a little girl? Would you like to say something to her right now? You're going to tell your little girl, Mama, can I have a clam? So how do you make a clam open its mouth?
Throw it in boiling water.
Oh, that's one way. What's the better way?
I'm trying to open it.
Yeah.
I'm tickling it, but it doesn't open.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you Shelly.
Okay.
Hey,